Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So today is 7th July 2020 and firstly let's see the history of the day. So today means on 7th July in 1928 sliced bread was sold for the first time in Missouri, United States of America. The American inventor Otto Friedrich invented the bread slicing machine in 1912, and this invention is considered a revolutionary step for the worldwide baking industry in the world. So, let's see the current affairs questions. So, the first question is where is Sat King Wildlife Sanctuary is located? Sat King वन्य जीव अभयारण्य कहाँ स्थित है? And the answer is Bhutan. In the Bhutan country this has been located, and which is recently in news due to the China and Bhutan conflict. Now let's see the second question. What is Central Vista project recently seen in news? हाल ही में समाचारों में देखी गई केंद्रीय विस्ता परियोजना क्या है? और आपने भी इसे न्यूज़ में देखा होगा. सो द आंसर इज़ कंस्ट्रक्टिंग न्यू पार्लियामेंट बिल्डिंग. मतलब इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंतर्गत जो हमारा संसद भवन है उसकी एक नई बिल्डिंग तैयार की जाएगी. सो द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज़ कोडावास बिलोंग टू विच कम्युनिटी एंड टू विच स्टेट? कोडावास किस समुदाय और किस राज्य से संबंधित है? एंड द आंसर इज कोडावास इज अ मार्शल कम्युनिटी of the Karnataka state of India, which is also recently in news and can be asked in UPSC. Now the fourth question is who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of France? फ्रांस के नए प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में किसे नियुक्त किया गया है? If you have seen in news recently, the person has been appointed as a Prime Minister of France is Jean Castex. Let me tell you something about France, that the capital of the France is Paris, and the recent president is Emmanuel Macron. Now let's see the last question. Which region has launched food security scheme? किस क्षेत्र ने या किस राज्य ने या किस टेरिटरी ने खाद्य सुरक्षा योजना शुरू की है? एंड द आंसर इज लद्दाख, recently made union territory of India, and the lieutenant governor of the Ladakh is Radha Krishna Mathur. Commissioner secretary is Rizgan Samphal, and the division commissioner of Ladakh is Saugat Biswas. Now let's see the answers of yesterday questions. So the first question was which e-portal has been launched by the Delhi government for the students of Delhi? So the answer is the LEAD project, which means learning through e-resources made accessible for Delhi from class 1st to 12th students. Now let's see the second question which have been asked yesterday. So who releases Global Environment Outlook report? And the answer is UNEP, means United Nations Environment Program launched this report. Now let's see the today's question. So the first question is which is the most affected state from locust? And the second question is what is Saffir-Simpson scale recently seen in news? If you know the answers, please do tell in the comment section. Otherwise, I will tell you tomorrow the answers of these questions. Till then, thank you for watching our video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.